Dear scholars, in this video, I have explained the second part of speech, which is that pronoun. What is meant by pronoun? Here is the definition. A word that replaces noun. It is important over here. Replaces noun. Or a word that is used instead of noun is called pronoun. How it works? Let us see some of the sentences given below. If I have to give information about me, how can I give? I have given some of the sentences over here. Let us see. I am Manoj. Manoj is a teacher. Manoj teaches English. So here, noun Manoj is repeated. So to avoid this repetition, I need to replace this noun. And how will I replace? By using pronoun, right? So let us see. From the first sentence, I will keep the noun as it is, but from second and third, I have to replace. So how will I replace? Using the pronouns over here. So instead this, I am putting the pronoun I. Here also, I will use the same. So how the sentence will become now? I am Manoj. Next, I is a teacher. Is it proper? So accordingly, the verb will be changed, and where I will use the word am. Now it will become I am a teacher. Next sentence, Manoj teaches English. So how will it become? I teach English. So whatever changes of verbs are there, we will have discussion in the next video. Just think of the pronouns only now. So let us read all the sentences together with these changes. I am Manoj. I am a teacher. I teach English. I hope you will understand how the changes are done. Here are the examples of pronouns. Which are those? I, we, you, he, etc. Let's learn something more about pronouns. Here is pronouns table. So what information is provided over here? Whatever pronouns are there in English, they are used according to persons. That is what? First person, second person and third person. And next, whatever columns are given over here, they all have titles. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun. What they mean or how they work, let us learn one by one each column. Let me clear the concept of person first. So here, if I am speaking with Mahesh, so I myself will become the first person as I am speaking. Mahesh is listening me, so Mahesh will be the second person. And in our discussion, I am mentioning about or I am talking about Ritesh. So Ritesh will be third person. So this is what about person. So all these persons or the names of all these persons will be replaced by the pronouns. Which are those? According to person, let us see. First person singular I, first person plural we, second person singular you, second person plural you. It is same. How it works we will see in sentence examples. Third person, which is singular for feminine, that is what for girls and women. What is that? The word she or pronoun she. Third person singular, which is used for masculine gender, it, it means which is used for boys and men, which is the pronoun he. Third person singular, which is used for things, animals, etc., and the pronoun is it. Last one, third person plural, which is used for feminine gender, masculine gender, things, animals, etc., which is that pronoun they. So here, first person pronouns I, we, second person you, third person she, he, it, and they. All these are called subject pronouns because all of these are used in the subject places in the sentences. How it works? Let us see the examples. First example, I am a student. Which is the subject over here? That is I, correct? Is it pronoun? Yes. So here pronoun I is used at subject place in this sentence so that this is called subject pronoun. Next example, we are students. Which is the subject or which is the pronoun over here? We. As it is used at the subject place, it is also called as subject pronoun. Third example, you are a student, and the fourth one, you are students. What is the difference? Here, the word student has singular form, and in the fourth one it is used in its plural form. So as I already mentioned, both you have different uses. What is that? The first one is singular, so the word student is in singular form, and the fourth one, whatever you is used, that is for plural. So the word students is used instead student. I hope you will understand this. Next example, he is a student. Which is the pronoun over here? He. And in the previous, you and you, right? Next, which is the pronoun or which is the subject? She. Next one, it. And the last one, they. So here, all these pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they are used at the subject places, and so they all are considered as subject pronouns. I hope you all will understand whatever explanation given over here. Let us learn about the next category. What is it? Object pronoun. So all these words mentioned over here are called object pronouns. Why they are called object pronouns? Because they work at the object positions in the sentences. And you very well know object comes after verb in the sentences. Let us see some sentence examples of them. Here, the first example is cricket is played by me. So here the word cricket is subject, is played, both are verbs, and by me, these two words came after verb and they can be considered at the object position. But as we are discussing about pronouns which is used at the object position, let us think of just one word from the phrase by me. So which is the pronoun over here? Me, right? And its position is object, so it is called as object pronoun. Next example, cricket is played by us. Which is the pronoun over here? Us. Let's go ahead. Cricket is played by you. Next, cricket is played by you. The first one, you, is singular, and the next is plural. I have mentioned over here singular and plural. Let's go ahead. Fifth example, cricket is played by him. Which is the pronoun? Him. Right? Let's underline again. First is me. Next one, us, you, you, him, next one, her, next, it, and the last, them. Seventh sentence is starred one. Reason is it belongs to the things or animals or etc. So as this sentence is about animal, a deer is hunted by it, and through the word it or through the pronoun it, I have to mention about any wild animal, so that I have used over here the pronoun it. So till this we discussed about, or I explained about, subject pronouns and object pronouns. For the remaining categories, I will provide next video.